SoftBreezer. How to use the SoftBreezer. The components of the SoftBreezer are finger sleeve, bottle, protective cap, mouthpiece. How to activate the SoftBreezer for the first time. Remove the protective cap. Turn the SoftBreezer so the mouthpiece faces downwards. Hold it between your thumb and index finger. Prime the SoftBreezer by pressing the bottle 4 to 6 times. This process takes approximately 3 seconds and ends with an audible click. An even and fine mist will come out. This signals the device is ready to use. Inhalation. Sit or stand upright and relaxed. Take the mouthpiece between your teeth. Tilt your head upwards. Put your lips around it. Breathe in slowly and evenly. Press the SoftBreezer device after 1 second. Pressing the device will take 3 seconds and will end with an audible click. Continue inhaling slowly the entire time you press the device. Keep the breath in your lungs for a few seconds after the click. Then let it out through your nose. Repeat the process 4 times. How to clean the SoftBreezer. Clean the mouthpiece with a dry cloth. Do not forget to replace the protective cap. Adults and children above 6 years should inhale 5 sprays 4 times a day. If you have any questions, please consult the insert leaflet. Speak to your doctor or pharmacist or visit our website at www.softbreezer.com.